Hi, I'm Ariel, and I'm an account manager at IQnection. If you're like me, you're probably looking for ways to streamline your workload. And for me, Constant Contact's lead gen and CRM platform has been a game changer. So just to give you an idea, there are tons of helpful features I've implemented to simplify lead captures and tracking. For one thing, you can connect and post from your accounts on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter all in one place. But one of the coolest features I've used is their social listening feeds. Basically, this allows you to follow social media activity that is specifically relevant to you and your brand. So this can be retweets, hashtags, posts, and then you can also interact with social media posts within the listening feed. Plus, if one of your leads has a social media account, then lead gen and CRM will automatically generate it into their profile so you can then increase their lead score based on interactions. It's super helpful to sync up your social media posts in the content calendar too, so you can see an overview of your other marketing deliverables like newsletters and blog articles. With these tools, I'm managing my time better, building stronger relationships, and my clients are getting even more value from my work. So if you need an extra hand managing all of your marketing outlets, then I would definitely recommend trying this platform.